And I'm going to get rid of Scratchy. Load some new sprites. Let's have... Let's have that Griffin. Oh, he's huge. I'm going to make him like 30% of that. There we go. Maybe a bit bigger, but it's alright for now. What can he chase? It doesn't even have to make sense, guys. It can be anything. Bobo. No idea what he is. And let's make him smaller. There we go. Nice and small. So the easiest code here to write, first up for Gobbo, let's go to him. He's selected. He's there, so we know that's code we're writing. Events, when the flag is clicked, forever. Motion. Glide to random position. And if on edge, bounce. Alright, let's see what that does. Cool. Nice. Alrighty. Now, let's have a look at getting our Griffin to move. Griffin. I think I just want him to follow my mouse. Okay. So let's just go to events. When flag is clicked, I want to start him in the same position all the time, which I'm going to make here. And go to position X and Y, and then forever. Motion. Pointing direction 90. Oh, I'm going to put that there. Pointing direction 90, and then forever. Point towards mouse pointer. Okay, let's see if that worked. Stop, start. Okay, he's just pointing towards me. I need him to move. Alright, let's hit stop. Gliding 1 second to random position or to the mouse pointer. Let's do that one. Not random, let's say mouse pointer. Let's hit start. There we go, look, and he turns to follow my mouse. Okay. Alright, let's have a look at some scoring now. Now I said a score is a variable, so here's variables. And I'm going to make a variable. I'm going to call it score. And click OK. Right, it pops up there. You can move this around your screen and put it wherever you want. Very easy. So, I'm going to say on Gobbo, forever if. So, let's have a look at a control here, if. Throw them in here. So, forever, glide around if it's on the edge, bounce. But if it touches the Griffin, touches is a sense, touches Griffin, I think I want him to hide for a second. So that's in looks. And I said for a second. Hide for a second and change my score, which is a variable. So I've got set and change my variable, which is score, by 1. Wait 1 second. Hide. Hang on, let's put in this order. Hide. Change my score. Wait a second. I want to go to a different position, a random position. So go to random position and then show up. There he is. And it's always important if you start using hide and shows to put a show up in the start of your script. Just in case, if you stop your game while he's on a hide, when you start it again, he'll be hidden and you haven't told it to show up. So that's what's happening here. We're telling it to make sure he's always showing when we hit start. Right, so let's just read through our algorithm here. When the flag is clicked, show up Gobbo, then forever glide in 1 second to a random position, and if it is on the edge, bounce. If it's touching the Griffin, then hide him, change my score by 1, wait a second, go to a random position, and then show up again. It should do that over and over again. Let's see if it works the way we're thinking. Got him? No. What's happening here? Not working. Okay. What's happening? Let's take this if out. Let's put him in his own forever loop. Oops. And let's put our own flag on here. Stop, start. Oh, I got one. There we go, 2. Alright, we're all good. Okay. There we go. Quick solution. So we just broke our script up. It must have been getting a little bit too long for Scratch. So we broke it up and just put it in its own forever loop. Okay. So we've got our score going. Let's throw in a background. I'm thinking something just with clouds. I think there's a cartoony looking cloud one in here somewhere. Oh, that one's pretty. Let's do that one. Cool. Start. Done. Now, can you see that when I stop and start, my score doesn't reset to 0? Let's do that. So, it doesn't matter which one you do it on. So when flag is clicked, variables, set my variable of score to 0. Start. Now I started on 1. I don't like that, but it happened because Gobbo isn't told where to start. So he just happened, coincidentally, to be starting in the same spot as our Griffin. Let's fix that. So we're going to go into our Griffin. He has a start point. Let's give Gobbo a start point. So where are you, buddy? Let's show you up. Here he is. Let's start him in the opposite corner. Go to motion and say go to X and Y. Done. Hit start, scores reset. There we go. Always starting from 0. Oop, got him again. Oh, I'm much better at this game than the other one. Now you guys are getting pretty good at Scratch just after a couple of lessons on it. Add in some fun sounds. Okay? If you've been really creative, you want to challenge yourself, make your own sounds. So there's lots of free apps on the Microsoft Store where you can make your own sounds. Or if you're musically inclined, you could make some sounds at home on an instrument and record it. And you can upload your own sound. So in the Sounds tab, when you hover on here, you've got Choose, you've got Record, so you could even do that with your own device if you just wanted to do that today. You've got Upload, so you can upload MP3s. Okay, so don't be afraid to give yourself a challenge and to try that out. Okay, I think that's enough for today. Have fun. I'll see you next week.